Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to VCN Top News. I'm Raisa Joshi and being with you all the time. Another 23 people died in corona. With this, the number of deaths in country is stood at 5,500. Besides, new coronavirus has been identified in the bodies of 1,203 more people. So far, a total of 308,083 corona patients have been identified in the country. This information was given in a press release of the Department of Health about coronavirus on Saturday afternoon. 200 state-of-the-art new coaches are being added to the railway plot this month as part of increasing the capacity of Bangladesh Railways. According to the decision of the Ministry of Railways, a few new bogies will be added to the shuttle train running from Chittagong City to Chittagong University. Mr. F.M. Mohiuddin, Chief Mechanical Engineer, Bangladesh Railways, said that. DV police have remanded Asmi Milton Sheikh, the main accused in the three murders in Mashali in Greater Khulna district. His brother Zakaria and Rezon Sheikh Razo, another accused in the charge sheet, for 5 days. The judge granted a 5-day remand after the accused applied for a 10-day remand for questioning in the Metropolitan Magistrates Court at noon on Saturday, October 10. The mother of a speech-impaired woman has filed a case alleging that she was raped while visiting Kandua Upazila of Netrokona district. The plaintiff has filed a case against a person named Munju Mia under the Women and Child Abuse Prevention Act at Kendua Police Station. The raped woman has been shifted to Netrokona Adhunik Shodor Hospital for medical check-up. Netrokona district police said that. It has been alleged that the death of a midwife due to the negligence of a doctor providing medical services at Digital Apollo Hospital in Madaripur district has been settled in the presence of the police at a cost of 2 lakh. Sodar Police Sub-Inspector Johurul Islam Shalish was present at the hearing and was closed on Saturday, October 10th morning. The Meteorological Department has forecast light to moderate rainfall in several parts of the country, including Dhaka, Khulna and Boishal. This information has been given in the weather forecast till 6 p.m. on Saturday, October 10th. A light pressure created in the North Andaman Sea and adjoining areas is now clearly visible in the East Central Bay of Bengal and adjoining North Andaman Sea, and Meteorological Department said in a forecast on Saturday. World Investor Week 2020 ends tomorrow, October 11 on Sunday. On the occasion of this event, Dhaka Stock Exchange Broker Association of Bangladesh will organize the closing ceremony. According to the two organizations, the DSE Brokers Association of Bangladesh has organized a closing ceremony on the occasion of World Investors Week. The event will be held on the digital platform on Sunday at 11:30 am. Armenia and Azerbaijan have agreed to a ceasefire in order to overcome the ongoing crisis in the disputed Nagorno-Karabakh region. The two countries agreed to a ceasefire after a 10-hour meeting in Moscow, Russia. On Saturday, October 10, the international media reported on the BBC. According to the BBC, the ceasefire will take effect from 2 p.m. local time on Saturday. The good news came to the family of young spin all-rounder Mehdi Hassan Miraz of the national team. Today, on Saturday morning, their son came to light their house. Miraz's first child was born at a hospital in the capital on Saturday, October 10th at 10 am. Mehdi Miraz himself confirmed the news on social media. The Latin American World Cup qualifier has started on Friday. Bolivia could not find themselves in front of Brazil's revived football team in the morning match on Saturday, October 10 Bangladesh time. Roberto Firmino, Neymar, Philippe Coutinho's outstanding performance helped Brazil to a 5-0 victory, which puts them at the top of the points table. Viewers, you have been listening to BCN Top News for so long. For more details, please visit www.bcnchannel.net. Stay tuned to BCN channel for daily updates. Thank you.